Nature and the Universe. Part 9. The Natural State, the Biology of Enlightenment. Part 2. The Effect of Light, Temperature Variation, Stress, and the Feeding on the Reproduction Cycle are mediated through the pineal gland. The pineal gland is represented by a double structure in many reptiles, such as snakes, the anterior part developing into a pineal or parietal eye. The pineal body is represented only by the persistent posterior glandular part in human beings. The parietal eye functionally disappears, playing a part in the development of gonadotrophins through the hypothalamus before the period of sexual maturity, melatonin and serotonin, which are found in the gland, having some action on sexual maturity. The hypothalamus is part of the diencephalon, forming the floor and the lateral wall of the third ventricle, being the head ganglion of the autonomic nervous system, controlling metabolic activities and the release of several hormones through endocrine control by the anterior pituitary gland, having neural control over two hormones in the posterior pituitary, oxytocin and vasopressin. The anterior part of the hypothalamus mediating parasympathetic activity and the posterior part mediating sympathetic activity. The hypothalamus controls cardiovascular, respiratory, and alimentary functions, which are three functions important for survival. Functions of the thalamus, hypothalamus, and brainstem lesions of the anterior hypothalamus, disturbing the circadian rhythm as understood in the human body part of the series. Emotions such as fear, rage, aversion, and pleasure are centered in the hypothalamus limbic system and prefrontal cortex. Sham rage can be produced by the stimulation of the caudal hypothalamus and eliminated by its destruction. Emotions are artificial. The only real ones are anger and lust, containing the energy of life. Positive and negative reward centers have been shown to exist in the hypothalamus.